Swagbucks mainly uses mobile data when the app connects to online features, loads content, updates your account, or displays available earning activities. By the end, you'll know what parts of Swagbucks can use data, how to reduce unnecessary data usage, and how to check whether the app is affecting your mobile plan. Section 1 is Understanding when Swagbucks uses data. Swagbucks requires an internet connection because it needs to communicate with your account and load available features. Opening the Swagbucks app, checking your rewards balance, browsing offers, and completing online activities can require data. The amount of data used depends on what you do inside the app. Simple tasks like checking your account generally use less data than activities that load videos, websites, or additional content. Some earning activities may open external pages or third-party services. Those pages can use additional data depending on the content they load. If you watch videos, open advertisements, or complete tasks with media content, your data usage may increase compared with basic app browsing. Section 2 is Reducing Swagbucks data consumption. The easiest way to control mobile data use is to connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible. Use Wi-Fi when completing tasks that involve videos, website pages, or larger downloads. Check your phone's built-in data usage settings to see how much data Swagbucks is using compared with other apps. On Android, open Settings and review the mobile data usage section for individual apps. On iPhone, open Settings, select Cellular, and check the data amount listed for Swagbucks. You can also limit background activity through your phone settings if you want apps to use less data when you are not actively using them. Section 3 is Finding out if Swagbucks is causing high data usage. Compare your phone's data usage reports and check when the increase started. Review the activities you completed, because some tasks may use more data than others. Also check other apps on your phone because video apps, social media apps, and automatic updates can often use significant amounts of mobile data. If you use a limited mobile plan, monitor your data settings regularly and connect to Wi-Fi for heavier activities. The key points are simple. Swagbucks uses data for online features. Certain activities can consume more data than basic browsing, and your phone settings can help you track usage. Your next step is checking your device's data usage page and adjusting your Swagbucks habits based on which activities use the most data. If this guide helped you understand Swagbucks data usage, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.